If you're looking for the best just released AI software, ChatComparison AI might be exactly what you need. But there are 7 crucial things you need to know before diving in. And trust me, the last one might completely change how you use AI for your business. You can try ChatComparison AI completely free right now from the first link below. It's risk-free, and by the end of this video, you'll know if it's worth your time or not. And stick around, because what I discovered after testing it across multiple use cases may surprise you. First off, ChatComparison AI is designed to compare multiple AI models in real time, like ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, and even lesser-known tools, side by side, for any prompt you give it. For marketers, creators, or agencies juggling tools, this is a massive time saver. Unlike switching between tabs or copying prompts one by one, it gives you instant results from several AIs at once, so you can easily pick the best output or blend them together. It's perfect for copywriting, email ideas, product descriptions, or even scripting videos like this. The interface is clean and lightning fast. You can customize which AIs you're comparing, adjust temperature settings, and even tag outputs for reference later. It feels like a real productivity tool, not a gimmick. One thing I love, it supports plugins and allows prompt templates. So if you're running a business, you can standardize your prompts and scale content generation across your team without guesswork. That's game-changing for agencies and entrepreneurs. It also stores your previous comparisons, meaning you can track which AI performs best in specific scenarios, like SEO content, storytelling, or sales copy. You're not just using AI, you're learning which one to trust for the job. Now, here's where it gets even more powerful. ChatComparison AI is rolling out team collaboration features, where teams can share prompt sets and compare results in real time. That's a huge deal if you're scaling AI operations or working with clients. As someone who's tested thousands of AI tools, this one actually solves a real problem, knowing which AI is best for your specific task without wasting time or money. And for now, it's still under the radar. So if you want to future-proof your workflow and make smarter decisions about which AI tools to rely on, ChatComparison AI is worth a shot. Try it from the first link below. Again, it's completely free to test. And if you're serious about AI, I've also included my list of top recommended AI softwares in the description. Tested, proven, and free to try. These are tools I personally use after going through thousands of options. Check them out, you might discover your next favorite.